In this module, you're going to learn how to transfer the video that you just made out of your drone, and we're going to use the DJI Spark as an example. Now, most drones come with the same basic equipment. They have the camera, they have the video card, so transferring the videos off of the drone is going to be relatively the same for every drone that you buy. From the back of the Spark, you want to remove the microSD card by lifting up the flap and pressing it in and removing the card. If this is your first time using a microSD card, you don't know how to grab the videos and put it on your computer, you need, oh, you didn't see that, did you? You need a microSD adapter. There are links below this video so you can buy the adapter and buy the SD card if you don't already have one. And basically all the adapter is that it is a bigger version of an SD card, and you slide it in like so, and you pretty much have a big SD card ready to fit into your computer slot. Now that you have your micro SD card in your adapter, go ahead and slide it into your computer. From here, you'll sign up for a Dropbox account where you can easily transfer the videos directly onto your phone. Create a folder name, keep it really simple, and then select the files that you want to upload directly to your Dropbox account. You can download the files directly to your phone and then start editing them with the app software I'm about to show you. There's a link in the description below for 2 free gigabytes. Once you download the Dropbox app, I'm going to go ahead and open it and grab the video file that you saved your videos in, and then tap the 3 little dots in the upper right hand corner and then hit export. Save the video and it will be saved directly to your photos. Once you're all set with the micro SD card, go ahead and put it back into your drone so it's ready for your next flight.